Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use farmer villagers in Minecraft. Start by placing a composter next to an available bed and move seeds into the villager's inventory so they can start farming. Build a secure, well-lit plot with paths for easy movement. Keep trading and harvesting cycles in mind to maximize crop output and to grow food efficiently for your village and your storage chests. Pick crops that match your goals, and the villager will handle the rest when supplied with seeds. Wheat is versatile for bread and breeding. Carrots and potatoes are efficient food and trade items. Beetroot can feed villagers less often. Arrange plots so villagers can reach every block without crossing water or fences. Refill seeds from your storage and observe trading to steer production toward the items you want most. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more Minecraft tips. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice is great for keeping your car smelling clean after a long building session, and it makes a funny contrast to farm smells. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Use trading to scale up your village and to acquire useful items like bread, emeralds, and saplings. A farmer's trades improve as they level, so trade regularly to unlock higher-tier offers. If you want different trades, change the job site block before a villager locks their profession. Keep a steady loop of harvested crops to refill the villager and to maintain a constant supply of tradable goods for long-term growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.